Hello viewers, I am Dr. Akash Singh, Assistant Librarian with National University Delhi. Today we are going to learn about literature review under research methodology module. The topic of this unit is review of literature. In this module, we will learn about importance of literature review in research, features of literature review, why literature review is included in a research or purpose of literature review in research, various type of methods of collections of literature and presentation of literature review, key aspects of literature review, various steps to be considered while doing literature review. So, a literature is a written record involved already settled theories of research, in-depth information about a topic, finding of experimental research, coordination of previous written statements with the current findings, and original set of thoughts of scholars, scientists, and researchers. Literature too include ancient manuscripts, religious and political writings, and social and economical statistics. Research is based on searching of new facts based on already established theories and intellectual findings. Literature in specific sense is a set of information pertaining to research area or topic. It may be original or first research published in research academic journals, research papers published in conference and seminars, historical documents, and creative or innovation literature pertaining to research topic. Literature are too referred from secondary sources like reviews, commentaries, critical analysis, and evaluation report, digest, directories, encyclopedia, and handbooks. Tertiary sources like indexes and directories are referral sources of literature which the researchers have to refer at initial stage of research. Research involves explanation of previous research to bridge the current research with already established records. The bridging of gap in research is performed through summarizing previous literature in the research, which is called review of previous literature or review of literature review. According to Hart, he elaborates literature review as a process where detailed summary or critical evaluation or previous research and non-research literature pertaining to current research problem is being studied and mentioned in the study. Another thinker, Cornwell and Daly, they explain literature review has its primary goal to update with current literature on the topic of research with historical evidence and to justify future based on already established facts. They further explained that a good literature review involves related studies from various past and present source about a particular area of study with clear search and selection strategy. The primary purpose of literature review is to facilitate detailed background of the previous studies to the readers on a topic of research. Literature review consists of several features like literature review facilitates new interpretations of already established facts or correlate current with previous interpretations. Literature review helps in tracking intellectual continuance of the subject field. Literature review notes evaluative and critic comments on literature on the subject field which are very useful for future researchers. Literature review in its concluding part involves comments for bridging the gap, explaining how a research problem has been researched till date. A literature review must not only be compatible but also give contrast on views of different authors on the given research area. The author drawing similar conclusions and adverse comments, including criticism and contrary issues, must also be included for justification of subject areas. Literature review must also show the gap between research with timeline of the study for correlated previous studies. Now we will discuss about the purpose of literature review in research. A good literature review supports a number of purposes, enhancing visibility of research from past to current period of research. Literature review is drawn up with a purpose of define and limit the research question or hypothesis drawn on basis of research problem. Literature review supports correlations of previous studies in the similar field to justify new field of research outcome. Another major purpose of drawing literature review is to avoid duplication of research considering already procedure research work. Research methods are evaluated through assessing previous research of the similar nature. Literature review considers plans and future areas of research in lieu of historical streamlines of similar nature of researchers.